n8n is an amazing tool if you are looking for a low-code platform to build automation and AA agents. In the n8n website, you will see paid cloud subscription, which are great for production environment. But many people just want to experiment, learn, and build locally. And in that case, you can use n8n completely for free as long as you run it on your own machine. In this video, we are going to use Docker because it avoids dependency problem and gives us a clean, stable environment and that is easy to maintain. First, we need to download Docker Desktop. Go to the official Docker website. Then click on Download Docker Desktop and select the version for your operating system. In my case, I am using Windows. After downloading, running the installer. Once the installer finishes, open Docker Desktop. Okay, Docker may ask you to create an account, but you do not need one to run anything locally. Just skip sign in and continue. So when Docker Desktop opens, look at the menu on the left and click Images. Then click Search Images to run. In the search bar, type n8n and select n8n AO, n8n, this one. Then click Pull to download it. Okay, you can see here our image. We can after that start running the container. Run. After that, we can use these localhost and we can open it using our browser. So you will see the n8n account setup screen. n8n will ask you to enter your email address, your first name, and your last name, and a chosen password. Then we can click Get Started. And here it's important we can get a license, a free license key. So send me a free license key. Check your email to find your license key. This is the email, and this is my license key. So we can copy it, and we return to n8n. Select Settings, and then click on Enter Activation Key, paste it, and click on Activate. license activated successfully. And now you are in the n8n workspace. You are ready to build your first workflow or AI automation.